In this tutorial, we will learn how to catch and handle multiple exceptions in one except block in Python. Let's imagine we have a program that tries to perform an operation that could result in different types of exceptions. For instance, we could have an operation that tries to divide two numbers. This operation could result in a zero division error if we try to divide by zero, or a type error if we try to divide a number by a string. Here, we are trying to divide 10 by 0, which will raise a zero division error. Instead of having multiple except blocks for each exception type, we can catch multiple exceptions in one except block by providing a tuple of exception types. When an exception is raised, it will be caught and handled by the except block. The exception message will be printed to the console. As you can see, the zero division error was caught and handled by our except block. The error message division by 0 was printed to the console. Now, let's see what happens when we try to divide a number by a string. In this case, we are trying to divide 10 by hello, which will raise a type error. Again, this exception will be caught and handled by our except block. The exception message will be printed to the console. As you can see, the type error was caught and handled by our except block. The error message unsupported operand types for int and str was printed to the console. Catching multiple exceptions in one except block can make your code more concise and easier to read. It's a great technique to use when you want to handle different exception types in the same way. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you now feel confident catching and handling multiple exceptions in Python. Happy coding!